KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
We're here in the KeyDigital training room. We recently installed a 3 wide by 2 high video wall using 3 encoders and 6 decoders of our 4K video over IP system and Hisense monitors. And it was so well received at our training room, or at our training last week, that we decided we need to put this thing on the road. And so we took our HDMI cabling and we've now created something we're really excited about, this baby video wall. And it was really easy to set up actually, because we used our KeyDigital wizard and we just took these Vizio monitors, we flipped them upside down, we applied a 180-degree panel rotation, we applied bezel adjustment that's measured in centimeters for the screen and the frame measurements, and then we can control through our PC or through our KeyDigital app software, where we can control the switching of the video source, and you see it there.